y'all, welcome back to another vlog. This vlog is going to be an evening in my life, but it's currently like 10:45 and I know you're going to say, oh, it's going to be an evening in your life, and it's now morning time. I'm making the intro from now. I can use it as a motivation to say, okay, I have a vlog that has started and I need to finish it. I'm going to go on the road to get some stuff done, and then as soon as the evening time touches, whatever I have to do, I'm going to take up the camera and vlog that, and then I'm gonna let you guys get that. But anyhow, enough of the rambling. This is just the intro for the vlog, so stay tuned. Tell me if you guys like my hair. So yeah, anyhow, enough of rambling, let's go.
22 at a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, man. You're 22 at a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, man. 22 going on 23. You look pretty when you're fucking with me. For me to see, I'ma show you what I mean to be love, vibe. You're 22 at a handle.
So I just got home and it's currently 2:40 and I'm about to cook and so forth. Yeah, but first I'm gonna take out the clothes on because outside kind of look bleaky, over that side look bleaky, like rain in the fall. And I don't want to close them with us, so I told the clothes them off the line. Also, my boyfriend requested curry chicken with boiled food for dinner. I have other meat kinds in the fridge, but I don't have any chicken, so I started. I got me some chicken to do that and a few other quite good stuff. I'm making sure what $3,000 give me actually, and I'm like, what, $3,000 for this? Are you crazy? That's nuts. Anyhow, I got me 3 pounds of mixed parts. I'm gonna squeeze my pants up for it. So behind this drink, right, we love Big Joe. We never know so them have that size here. We normally get the other size, you know, regular Big Joe. For Uno Big Joe, the regular size. So when we went in there and we saw this, we said, oh, we'll definitely get this because we love Big Joe. So we got this to drink. And I know this not last another hours for long because as we say, we love it. I don't even know who make it. In the matter of Big Joe, sees this video, or anybody who works with a company that makes Big Joe, hit your girl up. This is like my coke. You know what? I'm gonna stop that. Stop that. And I just got some snacks because anytime I just know this one, I'll put snacks for snack time, so I get some snacks. So I don't know snack like that. I got these coconut cookies. As we said in the last vlog, I love anything coconut. I wanted to pick up more, but then I was like, no, sure, you know, don't take up. Just took up some other different kind of snacks because people tell you might just feel like you don't want that one there, so just took up other things. And I got me, I think I told you, I got me some pepper Bigfoot. I love me some Bigfoot, the pepper one, just the pepper one. So I got 3 of those. I got me a bun. Actually, I'll eat this soon, like in the next couple minutes. So I got me a bun. And I saw this. I never took up more than one because I never like it. It looked like it new to the market actually. So it's pistachio cupcake. So it's pistachio cream. It's a what kind of the kiss cake. Yeah. I don't know if I like it, so I'm gonna take up one, and I'm hoping that I actually do like it. But yeah, I think that's it for the snacks. I got some garbage bags. I have garbage bags that I just want to re-up and some more. So I got some garbage bags. I don't even know which size this because I got season to the bone seasoning, jerk seasoning, and curry. I didn't want the sachet curry, but I have to work with this. Then my son lady, and I got banana. I'm not a big fan of banana, so this is really and truly for my boyfriend. So I got like half a dozen banana. And I think I was got like $200. Also, talking about that, it's pear season, right? And I'm in Crossroad trying to get a pear, and tell me why a pear is $500 or $400. You crazy? I am not buying that one. Me can go town, I'm gonna get 5 pear for $500. You mad? After me no cuckoo. So I ain't gonna do that. But anyway, I'm going to take out the clothes and then I'm going to change my clothes and wash my hands and get right into cooking.
Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. get pose like the Baba fry yo. Nah, yo, don't cry yo. Shayo, and if you go and shayo, shayo, and if you go and shayo, shayo, and if you go and shayo, 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 and if you go and shayo, shayo, and if you go and shayo, shayo, and if you go and shayo, 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 shayo. I dey put a cut when them kill Obama. I dey try to buy moto, want Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now so much you make it have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani cat churu and churu. I'm a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you and if I do anything you want me to do? Timbani cat churu and churu. I'm a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you and if I do anything you want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young cast, last. Now everybody go job breakfast. Have to say bye bye yo, to the love of my life. My ayo, don't cry yo. I need people and shayo, 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 I need people and shayo,
about to try out this. I'm gonna let you guys know what it tastes like, if it's a hit or not. It's my first time ever trying it, as I said, so let's get into it. This is it. In case you guys never saw it properly before, this is what it is. It's a pistachio cupcakes. It's pistachio cream from Kiss. Alright, so I took out one of the cupcakes. It's smudged and all. This is what it's looking like. As you guys can see the inside. Why am I even on the bed doing this? But anyhow, inside is green. Yeah, we're gonna break into it and see what it looks like, as well as take our first taste. So let's not mess up. Hopefully it doesn't mess up my bed. Come in, know why I'm up on the bed. Ooh, this looks cute. Yeah, I don't know if focus. Yeah, so this is how it looks. It's not really focus point, but this is how it looks. I hope you guys can see. Here goes. I mean, it's not bad, but I don't know if I love it. But it's alright. It can't eat. It can go on. It's still sweet like any other kiss cake, but I never love it. I was expecting more of a pistachio taste also, but I don't taste no pistachio like that. I don't know. Ooh, kind of like a, you know, the salty taste there on the tongue after. It can't eat. I'm not gonna lie. It tastes okay. It's alright, but I don't really love it like that. But I still gonna eat it either ways. But yeah. So yeah, I'll soon get down into it. Anyhow, this is the end of today's vlog. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and to tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so as soon as I post, you guys get a notification. I do hope you guys stay safe. Don't forget to pray. Can't forget that. Yeah. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye. Shit just got real, things I'm getting into.